Hi, I'm Derek from GOCCOPRO UK, and I'm just going to give you a quick rundown on this little portable print carousel that we've set up here for home use. So the idea behind this is it basically just folds flat. All of these pop back and you can store this away in a cupboard. And what I've done is I've just combined two items that I've had lying around the house. The first was a workbench, and the second was, well, I had this in the work, it was a carousel that we have purchased previously, an inexpensive little carousel, which is quite good. So, and the good thing about this workbench is it does just fold nice and flat. Now on here you'll see there's two bits of wood which have holes in them, and that's what comes with the workbench. It already has, I don't think you'll go down far enough, but it already has the mechanism for folding that up, and all we've done, originally I fixed on a small gas operated single colour, and then I thought, well, let's go one stage further and let's put the 4 colour onto it. The good thing about our screen makers is we use a lightweight frame. We are getting a system that I'll show you next week that will stiffen this up, but our frames are very light, so we've not got a lot of weight in these, which makes it totally ideal. The carousel, the print palettes are interchangeable. You can put narrow ones, slim ones, and I'll be doing some videos on that in the next wee while as well. But at this stage, we've put together a £90 carousel and a workbench. And the way I did it was our existing boards are still here and they're fine. And I just put a piece of wood, which you'll not necessarily see. I might tip this up a little bit. You may get to see. So I added a piece of wood across the underside of these, and I just screwed them through between my two existing boards, and then added in a filler board and a filler board that would take my carousel. The important thing when you're making this is if you just bolt your carousel to these two existing boards, it means that everything moves forward, and when you get to here and you put pressure with your squeegee out here, the whole lot would tip up. What you needed to do was move the whole carousel and bolt it further back. That way, when you get to here and you're using your squeegee, you can put quite a bit of weight on here. Let's just get this out. Right. You can put a reasonable amount of weight onto here and you'll not tip over. It won't come apart. Again, with our screens, we don't need to apply a lot of pressure when we're printing, so this lightweight system is ideal. If you're going to put on big heavy frames and you're going to use a lot of force and a lot of weight, then I would not recommend this system. It is perfect for small, lightweight home use, but then you can print absolutely everything, so it's perfect for the MyScreen system. So I think that's about it. When you're building one of these, by all means send us a picture, let us see how your one turns out. It's really just been made here as a home job to see how it works, and hopefully that gives you an idea how you can put yours together. Very quick, very easy, and it would be so difficult to make one of these things if you didn't just use two items. The workbench is brilliant, it's stable, it's foldable. The carousel, I don't know how they can produce these for this price. It's so cheap and so great, and it's a bit rough and ready. They're not always, sometimes have to tweak things a little bit, but great value, exceptional value. Anyway, you'll get links in the video below for where you could go to buy each of these items. But as I say, it's nothing to do with us, we don't get paid by them, I've just happened to put it together. Thanks for watching, catch you soon.